Chapathi special ladies finger masala curry. We need only 30 minutes for the preparation of this ladies finger masala curry. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 3 tablespoons oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, keep it medium flame. Then add 10 to 12 ladies finger cut into small pieces like this. Fry it on medium flame for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove it from the hot oil. Keep aside for later use. To the same oil, add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 inch size chopped ginger, 4 chopped garlics, 2 green chili slits, 1 sprig of curry leaves. Mix it well. Cook for a minute on low flame. Then add 2 chopped onion, half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Saute it on medium flame for 6 minutes. Saute the onion until it changes to light golden brown color.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
When the color changes, add 1 tomato paste. Mix it well. Saute it on medium flame for 3 minutes. Then keep it low flame. We can add the masalas. Add 2 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon fennel powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder. Mix it well. Cook for a minute on low flame. Now add 2 cups of water, half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Cook on medium flame. When it starts boiling, add fried ladies finger to it. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook on medium flame for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the lid. Add some curry leaves. Mix it well. Keep open and cook for 3 minutes on medium flame. After 3 minutes, switch off the flame. Chapathi special ladies finger masala curry is ready. Very simple but tasty recipe. We need only 30 minutes for the preparation of this recipe.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.